If you hate dragging out a full ironing board just to get wrinkles out of 1 or 2 items, this makes the whole process so much easier. It heats up quickly, so you're not standing around waiting forever before you can use it. The steam output is strong enough to smooth out wrinkles really fast, especially on everyday clothes and lighter fabrics. What makes this different though is that you can switch between using it as a regular steamer or attach the plate and use it more like an iron when you want a flatter finish. It's also easy to move around while using it, so it doesn't feel overly bulky or difficult to hold. And it works especially well for areas like collars, sleeves, and spots that usually stay wrinkled longer. It feels solid overall and not flimsy, and the controls are pretty straightforward once you start using it. It also has a safety feature like auto shut off, and the size is easy enough to store without taking up a ton of space. So if you're wanting a faster and easier option for everyday wrinkles without having to pull out a whole ironing setup, this is a really convenient option.